Napanganay si Miss Pop sa 4 na magkakapatid. Wow!
Di ba halata?
Hindi naman. Paano ka maging ate sa mga kapatid mo? Ikaw ba yung typical panganay na medyo strict, seryoso, or mas barkada?
I think mas barkada. I wanna be strict, pero hindi naman nila ako pinakikigan, so useless. Definitely, I'm always there for them when they need me. Buti na lang, hindi nila ako masyadong kailangan all the time. But I try to be a friend more than anything. Kasi ayoko rin naman na porket panganay ako, parang feeling nila na ako lang yung may say, or ako lang yung nasusunod, syempre. So everybody has a say in the family. Especially my mom, she still has a big say in the family.
As a mom, what's your style? What's your mom's style?
I think I have the same style. Kasi honestly, when I was growing up, kasi nga siguro my mom was also a single mom. So my mom kasi became very, very strict. Ang daming bawal, lalong-lalo na nung lumalaki na ako, nagdadalaga na ako. Parang hindi namin naiintindihan hindi niya naiintindihan kung ano yung gusto ko. Kasi nga, ang gusto lang niya, parati lang ako nasa bahay, bawal lumabas and all that. Siyempre, hindi naman niya naiintindihan na I want to go out with my friends. I also want to make more friends. So now that I'm a mom also, gusto ko, yung mga anak ko, hindi na sila natatakot magkwento sa akin. I'm very open with them. I'm actually very honest with them. And I want that kind of relationship na they can tell me whatever they want to tell me. I can also tell them whatever I want to tell them. Na okay lang. And I also give them, kumbaga they have enough right to explain to me what they want to do, why they want to do. Hindi porket, hindi ko gusto sasabihin.
Pero ngayon, di ba, both adults na si Robin and Ram.
Yes.
So, is it harder compared nung mas bata pa sila i-handle yung pagiging mom sa kanila? Or ngayon, pareho na kasi yung syempre, teenagers, parang, wow, namimiss mo sila, mas syempre may kanya-kanya nila.
I will always miss my kids, I think. And every mom will always miss their kids. Kaya lang ganun tapos dalawang lalaki pa yung sa akin. At the same time, ayoko rin naman na masyado silang i-baby. Kasi nga dalawang lalaki yan, di ba? I want them to be independent. Also, gusto ko rin naman that they experience life on their own. When I say that, experience life on their own, syempre iba na yung pag kailangan na sila magtrabaho. Although nandito lang kami syempre ng dad nila, ayoko naman na umaasa rin sila. Kasi ang hirap ng buhay, di ba? We make it look so easy, pero hindi naman talaga ganyan. So I also want them to realize that it's very hard to earn money, to make money, and then they really have to be good at what they're doing. And yun, depende rin. Gusto ko matuto sila makasama with ibang tao, ano.
Pero ang mas musical inclined si Robin.
They both are actually. Mas nag-concentrate lang si Robin sa music. Si Ram talaga sa animation.
But how do you bond with them?
Kaming mag-ina, gusto namin sa bahay lang eh. Normally, maski na nasa bahay kami, nanonood pa rin kami ng movies. Usually yung movies na gusto namin panonoorin namin uli, how many times na namin nakikita. Tapos yun na nga, we would order in food. Ganun, that's our bonding moment. Tapos we would laugh at each other. We would laugh at, kunyari pag may kwento si Kuya or si Ram or ako, tatawa lang kami na tatawa or minsan mag-aasaran kami tatlo. So we love to laugh. We love to, part of our bonding moment is to eat also. Alam mo yun, di ba? I think every Pinoy family naman, di ba? Pag time na to eat, doon tayo talaga nakakapag-usap, talagang kwentuhan.
Pero sino sa tingin mo yung parang mini-me?
Si Robin. Kasi si Robin, ang birthday ni Robin, si Robin at saka ako, pareho kaming sign. Pareho kaming Sagittarius. Si Ram naman at saka si Martin, parehong sign. Pareho naman silang Aquarian. Which is so weird, di ba? Parang, my mom, Martin, and my son are all Aquarians. Martin's mom, ako, tapos si Robin naman. We're all Sagittarians. So parang, parang, ano ba yun, ang nanay ko, asawa ko dati, parang gano'n. Kasi pareho sila ng sign. So obviously, Robin is a little bit more like me. He's very emotional, but he's afraid to show his feelings. He always pretends na okay siya. Parang ako, I'm always, buti nga ngayon mas expressive na ako dati kasi parati kong tinatago yung feelings ko. Lalo na pag sad ako, parati kong kinikip yun sa sarili ko. Robin is very much like that. Ram naman is exactly like his dad. He is more expressive. Pag galit siya, sasabihin mo galit siya. Bakit ka galit? Tapos ikukwento niya. Ano mo yan?
So parang mas transparent talaga.
Yes,
si
yes,
Ram.
yes.
Pero mas kitikitin ba siya? Kaysa kay Robin na parang si Martin din, very energetic.
They're both very funny. I think ang pinakakitikiti sa family, si Martin na talaga. Wala. In
Kasi
fairness,
siya yung parang pangatlo mong anak.
siya yung pinakabunso. So in fairness, wala na nakatalo sa kanya. But everybody's equally funny. Alam mo yon. Ram's humor is very much like Martin. Robin's humor is very much like me. He's very witty. Na minsan sobrang poker face, pero ay, joke na pala yun.
Oo, may punchline na pala.
May punchline na pala siya.
Oo.
Si Ram naman is really more animated, exactly like his dad.
Pero ito naman, meron silang mensahe para sa iyo.
Sana maganda.
Because she all she wants to do is spend time with her loved ones, no matter what it is. Whether it's going out or just staying home all day. And it's always a fun experience, no matter what. What people don't know about her is that she can sleep through anything and still be okay through it all because she's a heavy sleeper. A very nice bag that holds everything that she owns because she loves bags. And not my mom because she's one of the people that makes me go strong, that always gives me hope, that always makes me smile and all that. Love you, Mom. I thank you for everything. I thank you for giving me faith to keep me going. And I just love you.
I love my mom because no matter what it is that I need, like if I need it, she'll be there for me no matter what time of the day, And she'll always find time to spend with me. There's always like that mother-son relationship that we have. We make time for each other, and there's always time for me and Ram. What people don't know about my mother is that she's very hardworking. Besides singing and dancing, she's very good at setting up business plans and all of that now. She's getting very corporate into marketing and all of that. If I could give my mom anything, it would be an extra day of the week so she can sleep and rest. Hey, Mom. Thank you for working so hard for Ram and I. We appreciate it. I appreciate it. And also thank you so much for spending all the time you can with us. With or without your busy schedule.
Wow.
I always cry when I hear my kids. Thank you, that's my panganay and my bunso. Halata ba? Tama si Ram. I love to sleep. I can really sleep through anything. Alam mo yun? Yung pala nakalimutan ko sabihin. The reason why I'm always home is, I'm usually home because when I'm tired na, I just sleep. Through and, ikaw may Kleenex kanina. Asa yung Kleenex? Wala tinatago
What
ako.
do you wanna tell them? Sobrang feel ko talaga sa message niya sa'yo. Miss na miss ka nila.
Like I said, I think even if parati kami nakikita, iba syempre yung, hindi ako makahinga. May sipon na, ay ganyan.
So, talagang kasi sobrang busy niyo talaga, no? Hindi kayo madalas na nakikita.
In fairness, isa lang hindi ko Ang klase naman, isa lang. Ang naman ako sa'yo. Ayan, sige.
Kaya naman nababaliw ka rin yung tumatawa ka.
Pinapalo ko lang sarili ko. Habang kumakalat ang aking mascara. Ayan, sige. Siyempre, miss ko parati yung mga anak ko. Kasi, when they get older, and trust me, you have to enjoy your 7-year-old. Kasi nga, ang bilis-bilis nilang lumaki. Dati nung baby pa yung mga anak ko, sinasabi ko, my God, sana naman nakaka-crawl na siya. Nung nag-crawl na, binabantayan mo na, nalalaka-laka ka na. Di ba mamaya
Sana naman
konti?
nakakalakad na.
Hindi, una-una sana naman, nagsasalita na siya para we can communicate. Nagsalita na yung mga anak ko, oh my God, sana he shuts up. Siya na piso makulit, di ba? Tapos yun na nga, sana nakakalakad na para we can go places. Gano'n na malakad na yung mga bagets, di ba? Sinusundan-sundan mo na. Nakakapagod, di ba? Gusto mo na Italy somewhere. But I think the best part about it, and I think the reason why I kinda slow down a little bit is na-realize ko nga na there was one time kasi in my life, na-realize ko ang dami ko palang hindi alam sa mga anak ko, kakatrabaho ko. Because nga, syempre I wanna make ipon as a single mom, I wanna make sure our future is great.
Sabi nga ni Robin, you're so
Hardworking. Oo, parang hindi ako mapakali pag wala akong masyadong work. But I realized na when I started asking myself, ano nga bang favorite color ni Kuya? Hindi ko masagot. Ano nga bang favorite food nila? Hindi ko masagot. Kasi nga na-realize ko, sobrang busy na pala ako. So I really made sure na I would still work, but I have enough time to spend with them. Tapos yun na nga, ang naging bonding moment namin is when I started baking. Kasi yun na nga, when it comes to food, diba usually nanonood sila sa akin habang bata sila. Tsaka wala talaga silang choice kundi tikman yung food ko. Tapos yun, we became friends. And I think I always say, I always say kasi na through everything I've been through in life, kasi dati parang feeling ko kasi, there are times kasi parang feeling mo hindi mo na makayanan. Lalo na pag mag-isa ka na. And there were so many times that I wanted to give up. Pero pag naalala ko yung dalawang anak ko, sabi ko, shucks, parang hindi naman pwede. Kasi pag hindi na ako maging strong, ano na lang mangyayari sa akin? So I think that I always call my two kids my two heroes. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi ako maging masipag, hindi rin ako maging responsable, tapos hindi rin ako maging matibay. So yeah.
Eventually, Pops, they'll get...
Sana tumigil na ako, Mia. Ayoko na.
Eventually, di ba, syempre, alam naman natin, they're both adults na nga, di ba? So,
I'm in denial.
talaga.
Don't go there. Alam ko na susunod.
Yun nga, di ba,
Wag.
hindi naman, I'm sure hindi ka pa ganun ka ready if ever they'll get married.
Did I hear that? I didn't hear that.
Pero if ever, di ba, na, well, hindi kasi natin mapipigilan ng panahon and eventually, magkakaroon ka ng mga grandchildren.
Syempre, who doesn't want grandchildren? But I always tell my kids, lalo na kasi lalaki sila, madaling, okay lang may love, how many times they wanna fall in love, it's fine with me. Tapos hindi na ako makikialam kung meron sila mapili, maski na minsan, siguro hindi kaya ng powers ko na hindi yun yung type ko for them, hindi pa rin ako makikialam. I will probably give my comments, pero it doesn't mean that they have to, break up with them because hindi yun ang
boto.
I always tell them, it's totally up to you to figure it out on your own, as long as you don't rush. Because there is so much more in life that I think they should still experience. Iba kasi pag, and this is from experience, no? Iba kasi pag na-experience mo as a single person, iba kasi yung experiences mo na nadalaga ka or binata ka. Tapos iba na rin ang experiences mo pag meron ka ng kasama sa buhay. Tapos, mas naiiba pa rin ng mga experiences mo pag nagkaanak ka na. So, mas kinabalik-balikan mo yung isang lugar so many times, iba yung ma-experience mo doon, di ba? Pag meron kang favorite place, let's say, pinuntahan mo yun, kung single ka, pag bumalik ka doon na meron ka ng asawa, iba pa rin, diba? Iba na kagad. Pag pumunta ka uli doon na may mga anak ka na, mas iba pa yung magiging experience. So I just want them to enjoy every minute of their life first.
Biggest lesson in life ever na natutunan mo so far?
Hanggang ngayon naman may natututunan. Parang, I think in life, we just constantly learn something new about ourselves. I never want to say I regret anything I did because there's no such thing as regret. You're supposed to do things. Kumbaga sa akin, when you want to do something, go ahead and do it. But when you decide to do it and get into something, don't blame anybody else but yourself. So then, if you can't blame anybody else, it's not a regret. I guess it's something that you really have to do for you. Kasi yun na nga, in everything in life, whether it's good and especially when it's bad, that's when we learn a lot of things, and that's when we kind of know more about life and when we get stronger. When everything's happy, kasi wala ka naman masyadong natututunan, diba? You're just happy. But when you're down and when you feel that hindi mo na kaya, that's the time that you learn more about yourself and then you learn more about life, which I think is the best experience when it comes to living.
Yes, nako. Pero lastly na lang, your message to your children.
My children, tama, nanayak na.
Robin and Ram.
Talaga, tatawa na naman ako. Well, like I said, my two heroes, I think I won't be where I am without them. And like I said, you should never regret anything because those are the two reasons and the best two things that is, kumbaga that's happened in my life. So for Robin and Ram, maraming salamat because of both of you. I've learned more about love. I've learned how to love more. And kumbaga my gosh, I'm not afraid to experience anything because of the two of you. I love you guys.
Wow! Talagang truly an unforgettable moment with Miss Pops Fernandez. And on that note, thank you so much, Miss
Thank
Pops.
you.
And invite them. Gusto yung, syempre, online shop.
Online, chipipay.com.ph. So check out our clothes and a lot of other stuff there. So sana po you just check it out and order something.
And
Ikaw
of course-
rin, anytime you need clothes, you just let me know. You give me a
Wow.
call. Call Yoli
And
anytime.
also, yung KSA, pwede ko yung i-ano sa online
That's
shop.
right.
Yes.
Oo, sana you
And
get to
this is
sell
for
it
you
there.
from Iron Bros. Ayan.
Maraming
So much.
nabulol na ako.
At,
Buti ngayon na lang ako nabulol.
Kasi-
Meron pa ako. Sobra ka naman.
Hindi, pero I would like to thank talaga Miss Pops.
I hope
despite
it's
her busy
worth-
schedule.
I hope it's worth the wait. I know
Yes,
that
it's
you've been
really
calling
worth
and
it.
calling and calling. Sorry
Thank you,
for the
Ate
long
Yoli,
wait.
for the patience. Kasi,
Thank you for your
ang kulit
patience,
ko,
my
diba?
God.
Pero sobra po talaga, diba? Talaga namang hindi natin malilimutan ang moment na ito with Miss Pops Fernandez, the one and the only concert queen. At ngayon, ay, syempre, fashion designer na rin. At magbabalik pa rin po ang Living, Loving, and All About Bonding Moments!
Moments.
Yay! 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 Yay!